Okay, in this video I will share to you about how to make the linear pavilion villa in Sketchup. Okay, first of all we can make the rectangle in here on this position, approximately around 30 and 16 meter in here. So this is the rectangle. Then now we can click and push it up, type 300 millimeter in here, double click and also make group. Okay, then now we can select move, tap control and move it up, type 6 meter in here. So this is about the basic shape. Then now we can select the rectangle in here, click from this corner to the corner, click and offset it inside in here, and we can erase some unnecessary outline in here, click and push it up and double click, make group. Okay, then now we can select the glass. Okay, and then now we can click the top and the bottom surfaces in here. Okay, then now we can click this line and select move, tap control and just place, type 6 slash and enter in here to divide with the several parts. Okay, then you can select move, tap control and just place here and type 3 slash and enter in here. Okay, then I will show you about this modern roof. This is just conceptual roof in here. Okay, then we can just click this line and select move it down in here. Okay, we can click this surface and select move on the position in here, approximately this one. Okay, and select move. Okay, and just place to the position, and then now we can click and select edit, copy. Then now we can triple click and make group. Okay, then now we can edit, paste in place in here and select push. You can push it up, type 200 millimeter in here. Just click and push it to the another side in here. Okay, and push it to the another side, and we can click and push it to the another side in here. Okay, to be a shaping in here. Okay, and after that now we can select the rectangle in here and just scale here and push it to the front and make component, and then just create. Then now we can select the move, type control and click, type 5 slash and enter in here. Okay, and then now we can add the canopy in here. We can add the canopy. Okay, and make group. Okay, click and push it down until to the position in here. Okay, we can just place, sorry. Okay, so this is about the basic shaping in here, and now we can make the plane in here. Okay, we can make the plane, and we can make the rectangle in here to make the swimming pool. This is a swimming pool, and we can just offset it outside in here. And now we can assign with the concrete materials in here, and now we can assign with the water materials in here, and triple click and also make group in here. Okay, and after that now we can make the another additional building in here. This is just additional building, or maybe we can make the same thickness of the base floor and just place in this position. Okay, then now we can select the line in here. Okay, and triple click of this perimeter and offset it inside in here with any size or any thickness. Click and push it up until to the position, triple click and also make group in here. Okay, and then now we can just place and push it to the other side and triple click and also make group in here. And okay, maybe we can add more something in here. Okay, maybe we can just push it until to the position in here only to make light, to make the daylighting in here. And we can also put the another materials in here on the position, and we can also put this one on this position in here, and now we can just type 5000 in here. Okay, then now we can just select the color. We can adjust the color with the dark color maybe. Okay, for this one, okay, we can just select the dark color in here, and we can assign with the another relate color in here. We can adjust about the color wheel. Okay, to the position. And select the saturation in here. Okay, just like this. And now maybe we can make the highlighted materials like stone. Maybe we can just choose the stone materials in here to make it more elegant in here. Okay, now we can select the stone materials with this travertine in here, with this travertine. Okay, maybe we can add more wood deck materials in here, over there. And now we can select the cladding in here. We can just choose this one, and maybe we can add the freehand tool. We can select the landscaping in here. Okay, now we can just put the another component in here to make it more representative enough in here. We can put on the position maybe. Okay, just one. Okay, and then now we can put this one in here. Okay, or maybe we can add more something in here, like landscaping. You can select move tab control and just place on the position in here. And then now we can assign with the shadow. Okay, just like this. And we can also set the profiles to make it more representative enough in here. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial from this channel. Thank you very much.